In this video, you will learn how to manage your billing on Godaddy. To manage your billing on Godaddy, follow these simple steps. Go to the Godaddy website and sign in using your credentials. Once signed in, go to your profile in the top right corner. It may show as your account. From the drop-down menu, select Billing and Payment or My Account. Alternatively, you can go to My Products. In the Billing and Payment section, find the Payment Method tab. Here, you can add, update or remove payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal and other payment options. To add a payment method, click Add Payment. Here, you can also remove payment methods. In the billing section, you can view your purchase history and any past invoices. To view an invoice, click on Billing History or Invoices. Find the specific order or subscription you want. Click on it to see the details. You can download or print the invoice by clicking on the option. To manage your subscriptions or renewals, you can view or modify your subscriptions automatically on the Godaddy website. Godaddy usually sets your service to auto-renewal. If you want to disable this, navigate to the Renewals and Billing section. Toggle Automatic Renewal off. You can also manage services by adding or removing hosting domains and other services in this section. To cancel a service, click on the relevant product and look for the cancel option. Looking for the on-screen prompts, follow the instructions and it will allow you to cancel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.